The Irix Edge Neutral Density SR is an indispensable friend of every photographer and cinematographer working on ambient light. Grey filters or ND filters are among the most commonly used filters. They allow you to reduce the amount of light coming through the lens and thus increase the exposure time of the photos, or open the aperture. Irix has made sure that their filters accurately reduce light while maintaining excellent sharpness, clarity and contrast. Irix Edge not only cuts off the light input, but in addition is made of tempered glass with hydro and oleophobic coating, making it resistant to mechanical damage, so it will be ideal for production in harsh environments. The filter has been created with the highest quality optical glass and full color neutrality, so you can be sure that throughout the whole entire frame, the image quality will remain constant. In addition, the multi-layer anti-reflective coating on both sides of the glass ensures no accidental reflections. We can get the screw-in version of the filters in several sizes, but Irix prepared something else, especially for owners of their cine lenses. An ND MMS filter with a strong magnetic mount that allows you to quickly attach the filter to the Irix cine lenses and connect them together. The Irix Edge ND SR filter is an excellent choice for both photographers and cinematographers who don't compromise on the required both color neutrality and precise light reduction from their filters.